Good morning. My name is Prathamesh and today I am going to making a video on technical subject body cavities. Uh, Today I am going to talk about a very important concept in human anatomy. Uh, Body cavities. Body cavities are hollow space inside the human body where vital organs are located. They protect, support, and separate organs and also allow them to grow and move independently. Understanding body cavities helps in the field like medicine, surgery, nursing, and physiotherapy because it gives a map of where organs are located. Then we see importance of body cavities. Body cavities, body cavities are house vital organs like a brain, heart, lungs, stomachs, etc. They protect organs from injury by acting as a cushion. They allow organ movement like lungs expand and contract when we breathe. Body cavities separates organ into compartments, so diseases or infections may be localized. Body cavity provides reference points for medical professionals during diagnosis or surgery. Then we see main body cavities. We divided body cavities into two main groups. First one is dorsal body cavity, second one is ventral body cavity. Dorsal body cavity is also known as the backside of the body, and ventral body cavity is also known as the front side of the body. Then we see dorsal body cavity. It is located on the backside of the body. It has major subdivisions like cranial cavity. In cranial cavity, we found cranial cavity is found inside the skull. It is also known as houses of the brain, and cranial cavity protected by the skull bones and cerebrospinal fluids, which is also known as CSF. Then some clinical importance: head injuries, brain surgery. Second one is spinal, which is also known as vertebral cavity. It runs within the vertebral column. It contains the spinal cord and nerves. It is protected by vertebrae, meninges and CSF. Then we see clinical importance. Clinical importance is spinal cord injuries, lumbar puncture, anesthesia. Together, cranial and spinal cavities protect the central nervous system. Then, next part is ventral body cavity. It is larger and located in the front of the body. It has several subdivisions. Like first one is thoracic cavity, which is located in the chest region. It is protected by rib cage and sternum. Uh, Subdivisions of thoracic cavity. First one is pleural cavities. Pleural cavities is two cavities, each surrounding one lungs. Second one is mediastinum. Central region between lungs contains heart, trachea, esophagus, thymus, major blood vessels. The third one is pericardial cavity. Within mediastinum surrounds the heart. Then clinical importance like heart diseases, lung infections, pleural effusion. Second one is abdominopelvic cavity. Uh, in abdominal pelvic cavity, which is located below the diaphragm, divided into two parts. Abdominal cavity contains stomach, liver, pancreas, kidneys, intestines, spleen, which is protected partly by muscles and lower ribs. Clinical importance of abdominal cavity: appendicitis, gastritis, gallstone. Then pelvic cavity, which is located below the abdominal cavity. It is contains a bladder, reproductive organs, rectum. Then some clinical importance: urinary infections, kidney stones, uh, gynecological conditions. Membranes associated with body cavities. Cavities are lined by special membranes for protection. First one is meninges. Meninges covers brain and spinal cord. Then second one is serous membrane. It covers organ in ventral cavity, pleura, pericardium, and peritoneum. These membranes produce fluid that reduce friction when organ move. Example, lungs moving during breathing. Then clinical relevance. Uh, Examples, doctor uses cavity knowledge in diagnosis. For example, chest pain could be lungs, which is located in pleural cavity, or heart, uh, pericardial cavity. Then surgeries are often described by cavities: cranial surgery, thoracic surgery, abdominal surgery, imaging techniques, X-ray, MRI, CT scan are based on body cavities. Common medical conditions like uh, meningitis, it is a which has a cranial cavity, hernia, abdominal cavity, kidney stones, pelvic cavity. Then we see some conclusion like the body cavities are protective space housing vital organs. The dorsal cavity protects the brain and spinal cord. The ventral cavity protects the chest and the abdominal organs. Membranes provides cushioning and reduce frictions. Knowledge of the body cavities is essential for medical practices and understanding how the body functions. Thank you.